Hi everyone! In this video, we're going to show you how to keep a human in the loop inside your AI agent workflow. If you want your AI agent to handle the bulk of the work, but still route specific queries to a human agent in your company, or even to a third-party support provider, Plivo lets you do that in just a few easy steps. Let's say you've created this voice AI agent for customer support. It can answer common questions, track orders, share account information, and so on. But for some calls, high-value customers, billing disputes, or sensitive issues, you might want a real person to step in. That's where call forward and assign to human come in. First, let's look at call forward. Inside your agent flow, you can click the point where you want a human to take over and select call forward. This is for live voice call transfer. The AI is still on the call, and when it decides a human is needed, it simply dials a phone number and hands the call off. To configure it, just enter the destination phone number, and then you choose the caller ID for the receiver, which is the number that will show up on the human's phone. Here, you'll see your Plivo numbers and sender IDs that can be used as outbound identities. Once this is configured, anytime the flow hits this node, the ongoing call is forwarded directly to that number. This is perfect when you want to send calls to humans outside Plivo's routing system, like an external call center. Now let's look at the Assign to Human node. Again, within your agent flow, you can click the point where you want a human to take over and select Assign to Human. This is a different kind of handoff. Instead of forwarding a phone call to a number, it instead pushes the conversation into Plivo's human specialist routing engine. You can use this across channels like voice, SMS, WhatsApp, and chat. The AI agent turns the interaction into a contact and sends it into a queue. You can configure this within the Settings section under Human Specialist. Here you can pick which queue to send it to. Queues are like waiting rooms where conversations sit until the right person is ready. For example, US Voice Support Queue or Premium Customers Queue. You can also use skills. For example, you can tag your human agents with skills, say domain-wise you may have billing, tech support, finance, etc. Or language-wise you may have English Level 3 or French Level 2. Or you may have tagging based on customer tiers like Enterprise, SMB, etc. Behind the scenes, Plivo uses your routing rules, whether it's assigning to a specific agent or a team, choosing the required skill for the assignment, choosing the queue, and the routing strategy. That's sending the contact to the person who's been idle the highest, ringing all eligible agents at once, or choosing the agent with the lightest workload. It then applies other criteria like ring times and sticky routing preferences like loosely bind or strictly bind to decide which human should get the contact. So while call forward just dials a number, Assign to Human uses complete contact center logic, queues, skills, business hours, and agent capacity. That's how you keep a human in the loop within your Plivo AI agents.